Good morning, friends. Today we are going to begin working on our writing prompts after we finish numbers 15 through 19 of our assessment. So I just wanted to kind of walk with you through them a little so your mind can get started with the wheels turning. We have two prompts with our assessment as normal. The first one says, think about the narrative points of view in the two passages, Scarlet Fever Summer and Tale of a Painting. How does the narrative point of view make these passages different? Use details from both passages to support your ideas. So I've created a chart for you where you can identify the point of view of each story. So here you can write what point of view Scarlet Fever Summer's told, and this one, Tale of a Painting. And then how did the point of view affect the story? So if we did a closed reading response to this about the difference between Here Boy and the one about the lad, the dog. So this should be very similar to that assignment that we did in the ideas and the thoughts that you have. So in the box, I wanted you just to kind of record how it being told in first person or third person kind of affected the story. What did it allow you to see better, understand better, feel better? And then when you've gotten those thoughts down, right here it says type your response. So you can just hit the enter button and you can begin typing. In your response, remember we should be using our RACE rubric. We think about restating the question. The narrative point of view makes the passages Scarlet Fever Summer and A Tale of a Painting different because, and then use what you've kind of put in your chart. What point of view is told in each one, and then how did that make it different, okay? And then your second one is an opinion essay or an opinion text. The word essay scares some people, so I try not to use it too much. But it's asking you what you think about whether you should save old things, such as paintings, or throw them away. Okay? So you're going to think about it. What do you think? Should you save old things? Should you throw old things away? Are they just clutter? Are they meaningful? Do they have value? And it tells you to write an opinion, giving your opinion, and then reasons to support why you think that. So we've been talking a lot this unit about writing our opinion and how when we state our opinion, we should always have some reasons and some evidence to support it so that we sound like we understand what we're talking about and we're not just saying something just to say it. Okay, so I've created another box chart for you. You're going to start by restating your opinion and then basically just giving the three reasons real general. Okay, either your opinion will be, I think we should save old things such as paintings, or I think we should throw old things such as paintings away. Okay, you'll give your reason one here, and then evidence one. Okay, reason two, evidence two. Reason three, evidence three. If you have more reasons and more evidences, you can always add to the chart. And then remember, you'll want to kind of wrap it up by restating your opinion and the three reasons why you thought that, so that you leave the reader with that in their mind and they might be more swayed kind of towards what you think versus what maybe they thought originally. Again, the chart's here to organize your thoughts. Your response has to be typed below. I have several people, unit after unit, they fill out the chart and they turn it in. That is not an assignment, that is a 0. Okay? The chart has to be filled in, but your response is your ultimate grade. So if you don't type a written response, like we've done in the past with our writing assignments we've done together, you get a 0. Because I'm tired of repeating myself over and over with the idea that you are to write the response. This is called a graphic organizer. This is here to organize your thoughts. So when you type it, it doesn't sound like a bunch of mumbo jumbo. So make sure on both of these writing prompts that not only do you use the organizer to get your thoughts put down and organized so that they make sense and they're well established, but you then put them together into paragraphs in a written response. All right, guys, we'll see you today in class to begin working on this after we finish up our assessment 15 through 19. And we will probably just do number 14 today and save 20 for Friday because it's going to be a little bit longer or a little bit more thinking. It's not going to be hard, but it'll take a little bit more time to organize your ideas. See you in just a little bit.